Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a Claude code alternative. It's called a Supercode AI terminal coding agent. It directly runs in the terminal. It's similar to Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Claude Code, all these stuff. So I've also given the link in the description of the video. It's completely open source as well. So it's very easy to install once you go to the landing page. Either you can install through curl, but the best way by which you can install this by executing this npm command. So go to the terminal. For this you need to have node.js installed inside your system. So I have already installed it. So let me show you the command here. So simply paste the command npm install -g for globally installing this. So this will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds to install. So once it get installed, you will be able to run this through terminal. And as I already told you, it's completely open source. It's already released 176 GitHub stars. So if you're looking forward for an alternative to Claude Code or GitHub Copilot, Claude Cursor, this will be the alternative. So just wait for it to install. It's fully automated. All the commands will be executed in the terminal. So you simply type the prompt and then it will make your application. So once it finishes, you will be able to start that very easily. So just wait while it is installing it. So as you can see, now it has successfully installed. So after it installs, you simply type supercode. So it will directly open right here, as you can see right here. The very first thing you need to do, you need to log in. So supercode login. So it will authenticate you with the server. So you will automatically open your browser. It will authenticate yourself. So once it authenticate yourself, you can actually continue with your GitHub account. You can safely log in with your GitHub account. So after that, let me log in with a different account. I think just write here supercode login, and after that, yeah. So you do need a GitHub account for this. So I've already have this. So you just need to approve the device, and once it finishes, it is waiting for your authorization. So it is authenticating it. As you can see, I've already logged in, but still it is showing it. So now as you can see, you got the message. Sometimes it can take some time. You are now authenticated. So after that, you have the models command as well. Let me just type here supercode. Yeah, so supercode init. This will be the command here to initialize a new session. So would you like to be interested in the Supercode Pro plan? So I would stick with the free option. So now we are inside the chatting screen. So by default, it's using the DeepSeek version 4 Flash model. So as we are just asking it the hi message, you can type any message here, top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So I think it's a very good terminal coding agent, open source, similar to Claude Code. The speed is also very good. As you see, we ask a question that top 10 frameworks. So now it is actually researching the internet. You actually get a context window as well. 5% it's also doing Google search, reading it on different websites, Reddit forums as well, and then it will give you the list of top 10 frameworks. So it's a really good terminal AI coding agent, guys. You can also build some applications as well using this. Just type the prompt. So right here you can build out a image to PDF web app in browser. So now it will try to build out a image to PDF application. First of all, it will create a directory here. As you can see, it is creating the directory. So this is actually the terminal AI coding agent, guys. I showed you the full configuration, how to install this and start running it. So in this easy way, you can do this. If you want to stop it, you want to press the escape key, I think, or control C. This will stop the session. And as you can see, we have, if you simply type slash model, so here you can switch to other model. It also provides you with this memo version 2.5, which is also free UMM model, which is, so you can see that now it is switched to. So definitely check this agent out, guys. Supercode